I upgraded from the Apple Watch Series 3 to a Series 8. The differences between these devices are massive. It's like almost wearing a totally different smartwatch. From the screen to performance and extra sensors, there's a lot of new things to discover. The screen stays always on, so you don't have to make an awkward wrist gesture to look at the time. There are also new watch faces you can use because of the larger screen. And to show you a comparison, here's a look at the small collection you get on the Series 3. Because it has a smaller screen, there's not many options to choose from. However, as you can see with the collection of the Series 4 and newer, there's a lot more variation between the available watch faces, as well as providing you with a higher density of information so you can see more at a glance. This is also because the Series 4 came out after the Series 3, with the biggest changes around the physical appearance of the watch. Ever since it came out, updates have been more iterative and less impactful, so there's no doubt that the Series 4 will be the longest lasting Apple Watch in terms of software support. Let's get back to comparing the Series 3 and 8 however. Apps launch faster. For example, the App Store here takes quite a while to start up on the Series 3, and this goes pretty much for all the apps on that watch. You also get more storage for saving apps and music, you get 4G support, and apps are just much more usable in general because of the larger screen. With the new sensors, you can also measure your blood oxygen level, perform an ECG, and now with the Series 8, measure your wrist temperature too. If you have an Apple Watch Series 3, you might want to consider upgrading to an Apple Watch SE, Series 7 or 8. The Series 3 will not get watchOS 9, and future iOS updates can make it completely incompatible with your phone. However, it's still currently very useful as a watch, fitness tracker, and media remote, using just the default apps. This particular Apple Watch, however, is special. Comment if you've noticed. And follow or subscribe to catch the reveal of that.